Naka.
Relevamos a telma. Que tu so vika embalada. Yo akolo waturanga. Sakari sa mulele bebu so ci waturanga. Sabe pala bu sakire no ngana ba. So ke waturanga sa beri lagi. Abura.
Sambil lagi satu sim sakali mo ba na mo tan simpo. Usalam kilang wana kulung misum non ribu waktu ngetak. Tu ngat satu na pori buli kena lingan binggrani. Kena bilik tak. Gangga satu na lotu. Kalau ngat satu na bilik mo tak tundang yang masuk wale wan da kalau. Mo tumbur na ngulu bina ka satu matanda. Metu tu bukan mo da banua, mo kan mo ipan di tak tu simpo. Non da bilik tu mo terus ke mana. Hey, di nomura amdo. Amdo. Le kororo tak tu punya korsa kai lebu kau cak.
Principal teachers of Ballantyne Memorial School, school children, ladies and gentlemen, parents and guardians, Bulo Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. Let me start by welcoming all our students home to the Ballantyne Memorial School. This enrollment day is unlike any other day as you prepare to return to your classrooms and resume face-to-face learning after over 3 months spent at home. Throughout my service as Prime Minister, nothing has made me prouder than the progress we've made in educating our children. From the introduction of free education, free textbooks, and the subsidized transportation to school, to our commitment to build better, more resilient school buildings, to the historic opportunities provided to students aspiring to higher education. I'm proud to say it is young women whose educations have seen the greatest benefits from that agenda of progress. So for me personally, closing Fiji schools as part of our campaign of COVID containment was not easy, as I've said in the Tokay language, even though we knew it was safe and necessary because of action. At that time, no one could say with certainty how long our students would need to stay at home, particularly given how devastating the virus had proved to be in other countries and worldwide. But it has now been 102 days since Fiji confirmed its first case of the coronavirus and 72 days since we recorded our last case. I know for some of us that may feel like a lifetime ago, given how much we've achieved in such a short span of time. Thanks to our decisive action and the diligent efforts of our healthcare heroes and disciplined forces, all of our patients have since made full recoveries and Fiji is completely contained the virus. Looking at the faces of the students here today, each ready to get back to the business of in-person learning, reminds me that every sacrifice made over the past 102 days has been well worth it. I know many of our doctors, our nurses, our police officers, our RFMF personnel, particularly those who are parents, have motivated themselves through many sleepless nights by imagining this very occasion, the day their children would return to school. I want to thank every one of those Fijians, as well as each of our students here at Ballantyne Memorial School and all across the country for your patience during the months you've stayed home and stayed on top of your coursework as much as possible. I'm proud to announce that the new campus you'll be returning to has received an over $660,000 upgrade to its single and duplex teachers' quarters. Investing in high-quality quarters is about more than providing teachers with a sense of physical safety and security, and it's about more than granting them comfort. These investments express to our teachers that we value them and their contribution to Fijian society. In that way, this project is direct investment in both the well-being of our teachers and the quality of the education they provide our children. To the students here today, and to every student in the country, I know I speak for every parent in Fiji when I say how excited we are to reconnect you with your friends and your teachers and see you continue your educational journeys in the classroom. But as you do, bear in mind that many of our fellow students around the world don't have yet the same opportunity. Many of them will be learning at home for quite some time to come. Be thankful and put that gratitude into practice every day of the next term. Work hard, study hard, be kind to one another, and together, of course, let's press Fiji's education revolution onwards, and let's do it as safely as it can be done. We thank you. Na vidana gagani vosa sa main dolo tukina na nro tuku na balingis ni buli Valentine Memorial School na sa waliw. Ando tunggu na ando tuku na isni buli ni tayo na kota mana viva kalonga kay guru kedara rumah. All the same. Yeah. That's it? I'm doing a wardrobe now. Yeah. That's why we need to do this. Send them over here.
Set.